Walnut with milk benefits. Let us know what benefits you can get from drinking walnut milk. Heart health. Consuming walnut milk can further improve your heart health, actually. Omega-3 fatty acids are found in walnut milk, which helps in improving heart health. Increase memory power. If your memory is weak, then you should start consuming walnut milk daily. The omega-3 fatty acids present in it not only enhance memory but also improve brain health. Help in joint pain. Calcium is found in abundance in walnut milk. By consuming this milk, you can get relief from joint pain as well as diseases like osteoporosis. Help in digestion. Fiber is found in large quantities in walnut milk. In such a situation, it will strengthen your digestive system and give you relief from all stomach-related problems. This will also remove the problem of constipation. Helps with weight management. Despite being relatively high in calories, walnut milk can be a valuable addition to a weight management plan. Its fiber content helps promote feelings of fullness, which can help in preventing overeating.